In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste text or document from ChatGPT app to Google Documents or Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So I have here, I'm logged into ChatGPT and I'd like to go ahead and select one of the text that I created. For instance, I have this chart that I created using ChatGPT app, but I'd like to go ahead and share it on my Google Docs. So it is pretty much simple. There are two ways you can copy this. First, you can either just tap on copy. Once you tap on this copy option here, you can get out of ChatGPT and then go ahead and look for your Google Docs. And my Google Docs is here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it to open. And then I want to create a new docs file, and here it is. And then from here, I can just go ahead and paste. You can see there is already an option or a function to paste what I've just copied here. So you can just tap on it and it will be pasted directly, and look at that. So here is the whole text that I've just copied from ChatGPT. So if you can see your text highlighted here, you can also go ahead and long press anywhere in this document and then just tap on paste, and this will go ahead and paste the document. Now, the good thing with this method, you can see it retains the formatting and we don't have any issue with the layout of the text. So this is pretty nice. So maybe you may just want to go ahead and remove the lines if you so wish, or you can edit the text as you so wish. So that is the first method you can use to copy and paste text from ChatGPT to Google Docs using your smartphone. Now let me show you a second method. For the second method, go ahead and open the document that you want to copy. And this time around, instead of using this copy option here, you can just go ahead and long press anywhere within the text like this. And you will see we have these two options. One is copy and the other is select text. So you use copy if you want to copy the whole text on this particular topic that you asked. But if you want to copy a specific portion, maybe a paragraph or two, go ahead and tap on select text, and you'll have to go ahead and highlight the specific text. So you can just select the text you want like this up to there, and then use the copy option. But if you can't see the copy option, long press on it again and you will see the copy here. So that's how you copy it. But if you want just to copy the whole of the thread, you can also just long press on it and use copy option here, and then go back to your Google Docs, and here is your document. And from here you can see you can directly tap on this to paste it, or you can go ahead and long press here and immediately your document will be copied in Google Docs. And now once you are done, you can now go ahead and tap on this to finish, and now go ahead and give your document a title as you wish, and that is it. You are done. If you want to go ahead and edit this document later, just tap anywhere and then you will see this pencil icon. Go ahead and tap on it, and from here you can go ahead and do editings as you wish by just placing the cursor at any point that you want. So that's how you can copy and paste text or documents from ChatGPT to Google Docs using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.